Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Happy 18th birthday. And since 18 ka na ngayon, 18-dihin mo na lang lahat ng sinabi ng mga nauna sa akin. And next year, 19 ka na, sana naintindihan mo na yung mga sinabi namin lahat.
Yung pagbo-boyfriend, okay yan. Diba, okay? Kahit 2, 3, 4, pwede yan, perahan mo lahat. Ganun dapat ang mindset kasi yung pagbo-boyfriend, negosyo yan.
Shoutout sa sarili ko.
Masaya ako na naging kaibigan kita. Saka nakita ko rin yung pag-grow mo bilang isang transparent. Naging tao ko eh.
She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I saw happy birthday, I just happy birthday, Julian. Happy birthday, Julian. Happy birthday, Julian.
You tell me who your friends are, and I'll tell you who you are. So choose your friends. Kasi kung ano yung crowd na meron ka, it reflects kung anong klaseng tao ka. So choose ng mga good friends.
That grow up video of yours takes me back to grade 6. To others, it may seem only as an ice cream. But to me, it became a symbol of our friendship.
You've always been my eldest daughter twin. Strong, reliable, loving, and someone who carries so much on her shoulders, yet still chooses to smile.
Po na malalapit po sa puso ko na alam ko po na nagmamahal po sa akin and sa family ko po. Yun po. Thank you po sa lahat from the bottom of my heart.
Who you are today is the result of your decisions yesterday. And who you will become tomorrow will be the result of your decisions today. So, make wise decisions bago mag-decide, pag-isipan ng 10 times.
Ang wish ko for you is that makapagtapos ka ng studies mo firstly, syempre. Maging fruitful lahat ng paghihirap mo. I wish you'll have a bright future ahead and sana maging masaya and successful ka sa future career mo. And my last wish is that lahat ng wishes mo ay matupad kasi you deserve that.
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Mahal
So to my adjutant, happy birthday and I love you so.
palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Palagi.